Hello everyone, today I will show you how to center align text in a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select a comment option this menu bar and sticky note comment box. I'll set align this sticky note comment box. Double click on this sticky note and sticky note comments dialog box now open and drag your mouse or select your text or press Ctrl A for your keyboard. You cannot align this alignment fixed here. You can align this text box comment text, and here you will find center align text and see this, and this call out text. Here you can align this text and this center align and see this. In this way you can fix your comment box text alignment. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.